Doing a video here of something that Mocha got me for Christmas. It's a Arduino Uno. It's an open source, open hardware development platform based around Atmel AVR ATmega microcontroller chip. As you can see along the sides here, it's got all these little pins that you can connect things to. You can connect sensors, photo sensors. It can communicate with different things. You can do digital communications, analog pulse width modulation. You can run stepper motors and lights and LCD displays, all sorts of neat stuff. So I'm just going to show it to you real quick. It just plugs in with a USB. I wrote a program for it. It uses a language called Sketch. And Sketch kind of looks a lot like C. So I'll show you the little program here. At the beginning, you can see it says Jason was here. That's just a comment. It has int LED pin equals 13. It has a built-in LED that runs off pin 13 of the chip. So that's all. LED pin is just a variable that I just used. And the program has two parts: void setup and void loop. Setup configures the board, and the loop is the program that runs. So you see under void setup, I put a little comment initialize pins. So it says pin mode LED pin is output. So that pin will run in output mode, and then void loop is the program. So what this does here, you see it says digital write LED pin high. That turns it on, and then it does a delay of a random from 10 to 100 milliseconds, and then it turns the pin off and then waits another 10 to 100 milliseconds. So it just randomly blinks the light, kind of like a hard drive light on a computer. So I'm going to upload that into there with the little upload button. That's my little program. And I'm going to move the phone over so you can see what it does as it's uploading. So it's compiling now. You see it's reading, and now the program's running. You can see the little light just randomly flickering on and off at different rates. Just nothing special, but it's a neat little program. So I'm going to change to 250 milliseconds maximum here and try again. And then we'll just upload that. Now the light is a little more erratic. So hopefully I'll get some electrical components and I'll build something neat out of it. And these are inexpensive too. You can get these boards for less than 20 bucks for just this part here without the cable or anything. This one was like $22 because it came with a breadboard. So anyway, that's my neat little toy, and hopefully it'll kind of get me back into messing with electronics and programming again.